A renowned chef shuffled between late-night fryers and fatigue when a health scare whispered that life could be rewritten with movement. She traded sugary escapes for structured workouts and found discipline in the gym mirrored in the kitchen, fueling confidence. Setbacks arrived as injuries and sleepless nights tested resolve, but she logged each one as data to train smarter. With a support circle, steady meal prep, and small daily wins, she rose from fatigue to trail climbs, unlocking resilience. Today, she mentors others, folds nutrition into her craft, and proves transformation is patience, persistence, and heart.